Guess I'll always be him, even after treatment. Everything that he did, I relive. The kid that you knew, with holes in his shoes, who stole from his family to feed his abuse. Said I'd never be back, thought that I could detach. Nothing like a relapse to rehash. The kid who's scared, so handle with care.